Hello everyone, this is Kumari Vilasha. Today I am going to show you PPT for class 7 science chapter 1st nutrition and plant. Nutrients. The components of food like carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamins and minerals are called nutrients. Nutrients help living organisms to build their bodies, to grow, to repair the damaged part of their bodies, to provide energy to carry out life processes. Food can contain carbohydrate, protein, water, fat, undigestible minerals, and vitamins. Nutrition. The mode of taking food by an organisms and its utilization in the body is called nutrition. Modes of nutrition. There are two main modes of nutrition in living organisms. They are autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition is nutrition in which organisms can prepare their own food. Organisms which can prepare their own food are called autotrophs. Autotrophs can be divided into two: auto and troughs. Auto means self, troughs means nourishment. Heterotrophic nutrition is nutrition in which organisms get their food directly and indirectly from plants. Organisms which get their food directly or indirectly from plants are called heterotrophs. They can also be divided into two: hetero and troughs. Hetero means other, troughs means nourishment. Photosynthesis is the food making process in plants. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants prepare their own food by using sunlight, water, carbon dioxide, and chlorophyll. Photosynthesis takes place in leaves. Sunlight is obtained from sun. Then water is absorbed by the roots and transported to the leaves. Then carbon dioxide is taken from the air through small pores in the leaves called stomata. Chlorophyll are green pigment present in leaves. Chlorophyll uses the energy from sunlight to prepare food by using water and carbon dioxide. The food prepared is carbohydrate, which is then converted into starch. During photosynthesis, oxygen is released. Equation of photosynthesis is: when carbon dioxide and water react with each other in the presence of sunlight, and chlorophyll result in the formation of carbohydrate and oxygen. Synthesis of protein. The soil has some bacteria which convert nitrogen from the air into usable nitrogen in the soil. Farmers also add fertilizers containing nitrogen into the soil. Plants absorb this nitrogen from the soil along with water and other constituents to prepare protein and fat. Other modes of nutrition in plants are parasitic plants. Parasitic plants are plants which do not have chlorophyll and cannot prepare their own food. They get their food from other plants called host. Example: Cuscuta is also called amarbel. Insectivorous plants are plants which feed on insects. Example: pitcher plant. The leaf of the pitcher plant is modified into pitcher. The end of pitcher has lid which can open and close. When an insect enters the pitcher, the lid is closes. The insect is then digested by digestive juice inside the pitcher. Saprotrophs are plants which do not have chlorophyll and cannot prepare their own food. They get their food from dead and decaying organic matter. Example: mushroom, bread, mold, etc. They produce digestive juices on dead and decaying matter and convert into a solution and then absorb the nutrients from the solution. Symbiotic relationship. Some plants live together and share shelters and nutrients. Example, lichens. In lichens, an algae and a fungus live together. The fungus provides shelter, water, and minerals to the algae. The algae provide food to the fungus, which it prepare by photosynthesis. Activity. To observe the fungus bread mold in bread. Take a piece of bread and moisten it with water. Leave it in a moist warm place for 2 to 3 days or until fluffy patches appear on them. Observe the patches under a magnifying glass or microscope. Cotton-like threads are seen on the piece of bread. These organisms are called fungi. They have a different mode of nutrition called saprotrophic nutrition. Thank you.